got the pieces laid out here, the patterns. Start off with, that's not necessary right now, that's for marking the end of the flank strap to shape that up. Here's the flank cinch, it's 3 inches wide. Here's the loop, I need 2 of those. A lot of times you use a frog for the rear housing. On this one I'm going to change it up and use a patch that looks like that. I like the way that's going to look on the rear housing. And here lately, or for the last couple of years, I've been sliding it up and it gives it a little layered look. I like that look. So rear housing, patch, maker's patch. Here's the, there's the skirts that I had underneath the tree a while ago. The back skirt filler, the front skirt filler, the plate rigging, and the liner for the plate rigging. Here's the catchers. This is the onside catcher. This is the D holder that goes right above that, and then I'm going to set a 1 3/4 leather concho on top. There's a little 1-inch brass D that goes in there. This customer likes a double slotted catcher, so that's what I've got. There'll be tie straps on both sides of the saddle. The off side will look like this, and then it's got a cinch holder. Then at the cantle on the off side of the saddle, there'll be a cinch holder underneath the ear there at the base of the cantle. And then on the on side, there's a hobble catcher that will be underneath the ear on the on side of the jockey. Here's the groundwork that we went over. Gullet piece, the fenders, the cantle piece, and the back of the cantle, the cantle binding and the back cantle piece. Here's the horn pieces that's underneath, 2 of those for the top. Here's the fork cover. I've got a bucking roll or a buck roll pattern back here. I'm not going to deal with that right now. Get the saddle built and then build those. Here's a breast collar that goes with the saddle. They have a 3.5-inch brass bevel D in the middle. It will not have a pad in it. It will be like that. It will go like that. Need 2 each of those. 1 of these. It will need a liner. I'm going to glue a liner in the bottom of that and then stitch that on. Need a couple of these little pieces here for the breast collar. Breast D will be mounted up there. That. And I think that covers the patterns unless I've forgotten something, and if I did, we'll talk about that when I realize what's happened. Let's see. Now it's time to go over the saddle skirting. I just got in 12 sides of saddle skirting, and I'll unroll it. Particular about how to match the sides up, and that will take a considerable amount of time. So I'll set the patterns aside and unroll the hides, match them up, and then I'll come back and talk about the saddle skirting.